Three of the breakfast sandwiches.
What do you want to drink?
I'll have orange juice. I don't know if you got grilled cheese over here, but whoever that is. Looks pretty good though.
What's up guys, it's Gabe here. Welcome back to a brand new video. This is day 2 to this Disneyland trip, and right now I'm hanging out in the Wreck-It Ralph section. We're about to see the sneak peek even though this movie is already out, and it's my favorite movie of all time by the way. So we're gonna go get that on DVD soon. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like on this video if you guys enjoyed this one. We're gonna go ahead and have some fun today, so let's go.
Space Mountain, here we come with that fast pass.
Let's go check our picture real quick.
There we are. Hold up, now I'm focused. There we are.
The only line that we're waiting in today, probably like 30 minutes waiting in line, but was it worth it? No, it was not.
Star Tours is now and passage to Tatooine today.
The CPO R2D2. Alright, Evie, where are we going now? Oh, let's go. We got the pass and everything. The infamous Disney Castle, and I can't take a picture in front of it because it's not done with whatever it's doing. I don't know what they're doing, but Indiana Jones, let's do it, boys. It's hella long. Here we go. Let's do this one, boys.
The new vacation hotspot is Temple of the Forbidden Eye. Everyone's agog over this intriguing discovery by famed archaeologist Indiana Jones. They've heard rumors that it rewards visitors with unlimited riches, eternal youth, or visions of the future.
Now, don't tell me that wasn't big fun.
Evie, explain your actions for that driving. Evie, what were you driving like that for? You could have killed us. She's a monster. What's happening? What's going on? What are you guys laughing for?
I'll check right.
Guys, breaking news. So I was on my phone because I was eating this little ice cream soft serve thing from the tiki room, and then I come over here and see here my boy Taboo from yesterday. I don't know how well you can see that. Can you see that even? Taboo retweeted my tweet about me. So as you guys can see, Taboo retweeted my tweet from yesterday. So if you guys haven't watched that video, you guys should watch it because Taboo is telling you to watch it, basically. So take a look at that video. Something scary is happening at Disneyland. It's starting to rain, I think. But this side looks, has some blue skies, so we're gonna switch over parks.
Which one do you guys take?
Mickey Mouse burgers.
Hold on, wait.
This is humongous.
So we sat down, we started eating the burger, which is now completely gone, and it started to rain. We heard thunder, and now it's crazy. We're not even trying to go over to Guardians right now because we're not trying to get wet. So I'm hella dumb because when I was ordering food, I didn't realize what I was doing, but so I had a tray with the burger on top, and then I ended up grabbing the tray and throwing it away in the trash can. I don't know why I did that. I wasn't paying attention. I thought I was throwing away that for some reason, but yeah, I threw away a tray for no reason, and my sister didn't do anything to stop me.
Go get it out. Go get it out now. Disney's gonna come haunt you.
Alright guys, it's raining, but I had to still get the shot for you. It's Guardians of the Galaxy, that's the next ride we're going to. I'll meet you guys inside.
Welcome, distinguished guests. The most comprehensive assemblage of
How many here? Four down to the right. How many? Two down to the right.
Thank you, Jax! Oh! It's raining!
Hello, and welcome to Soaring. My name is Patrick, and I'll be your chief flight attendant today.
Oh, hello. Oh, it smells like my hair conditioner. Moana, is that you? Oh my god, that's where I'm at! That's where I'm at! Hey, Evie! That's where I'm at! Evie! Oh my god, I took him out. How you doing? Alright guys, so it's pretty cold out here. We just got off soaring over California, or over the world I should say. And now we're going back over to Disneyland. And we're going to end off our night by going to eat somewhere. So I'll see you guys when we're over there.
Wonderful.
Where'd you see that?
We got the bread over here. We got the sister over there. We got the mother over there. We got the father over here. Let's go. The food has come out here.
We're not here to eat. We're just here to take pictures.
Check it out. We got the mashed potatoes over here. And I'm pretty sure that's green beans under there. Oh my god, this seems so good. I don't know what they got. I don't know what you guys got.
I got fish.
I'm gonna feast. And for the dessert, we got the creme brulee. What is that on top? Is that like the raspberry?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
I'll eat
raspberry.
it.
After we ate at the Blue Bayou, we came home and it was freezing. We couldn't take it anymore, so we came home to the we came back to the hotel, and right now we're about to go to bed. I'm gonna finish editing this video so you guys can watch it, and then we're gonna go back to bed, and then maybe come back tomorrow. Oh man, it's really cold, and it was raining. It was terrible. My sister can agree because she's filming right now, right?
Yes.
So,
It was really cold.
alright guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe if you're new, guys.
Don't forget, guys, life begins at the end of your comfort zone. I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.
We all know about patterns, this one's a crazy pattern. This pattern been cracked from dragons, give you the heat like a ring on Saturn. This pattern goes round and round, this pattern gonna fake that sound.